A standard multi-turn shutoff valve requires several rotations to open or close, while a quarter-turn valve moves from open to closed with a single 90-degree twist. Multi-turn valves use a stem that raises or lowers a valve seat by rotating many times, which compresses two sealing washers. That design was common because it allowed fine flow control and modest parts cost. Quarter-turn valves use a ball or ceramic disc that rotates 90 degrees to block or allow flow, which gives a tight seal and fast operation with far less wear on internal seals. When working on toilets, know the connection type at the inlet, the common sizes, and whether the valve is sweat, compression, or threaded, because replacing a valve often means matching that connection or adapting it with the correct fittings. To remove buildup and protect threads, first shut off the main. Relieve pressure by flushing, and then use penetrating oil on stubborn nuts while supporting the fixture to avoid stress on supply lines. If you plan to upgrade to quarter turn, choose a brass or stainless ball valve with durable seats and match the pressure and temperature ratings stamped on the valve to potable water standards. When reinstalling, hand tighten, then add a quarter to a half turn with a wrench on compression fittings to avoid crushing ferrules, and always test for leaks by slowly restoring water and watching for any weep at joints. The most common mistake is forcing a stuck multi-turn valve without isolating the main, which can shear the stem and cause a leak. Avoid this by shutting the main and using penetrating oil and gentle back and forth motion to free the stem. Another issue is mismatching connections when replacing valves, which leads to persistent drips. Measure the inlet type first and carry the correct adapter, so the new quarter-turn valve seats properly. A third concern is over-tightening compression nuts, which damages ferrules and causes leaks under load. Tighten by hand, then use a wrench only until snug and test, tightening no more than a quarter to a half turn beyond snug. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors, and for contractors to find work related to projects like valve upgrades and toilet maintenance. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and compare experiences about plumbing and other home projects.